Hello, my name is Daryl Poe, and I will share my leadership story. Managing training records on our employees continue to be an uphill challenge. The Army mandates for every employee to complete 12 training modules outlined in Army Regulation 350-1. Presently, our organization has only one individual, Ms. Jackson, an operations specialist, managing this task. Ms. Jackson is manually managing employees' training record as a collateral duty. And with over 450 employees in the organization, the task of managing training records on every employee is laborious and too cumbersome for one individual. On her best days, Ms. Jackson may be able to dedicate 1 hour a week toward managing employees' training records. On April 23, 2018, Ms. Jackson collaborated with Mr. Glennie, the training manager for the Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center, to peruse an efficient mechanism for tracking employees' training. What she has found out is remarkable. The Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center is the largest organization on the installation, and it has over 4,000 employees. Mr. Glennie manages employees' training records through the Digital Training Management System, an Army web-based system designed specifically for managing employees' training records. The Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center is able to track the training status of its employees with a 98% success rate. The Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center achieved this success by assigning and training coordinators for every department in the organization. The training coordinators are responsible for managing the training records of employees for their respective department. Ms. Jackson completed the 1-week Digital Training Management System course and is now in a position to train personnel in every directorate in our organization to efficiently manage employees' training records. Additionally, Ms. Jackson has been instrumental in building a database in the Digital Training Management System and has already inputted the names of every employee in our organization into the database. What if we espouse the Digital Training Management System to manage employees' training records? Can you imagine success our organization would achieve? That is my story. Thank you.